Hey, welcome to this explainer. Let's talk about safely buying rural land online without getting scammed. Let's be honest, buying real estate through a screen, it can totally feel like the Wild West. Fearing hidden issues, sketchy sellers, and awful paperwork is completely valid. It happens. So here's our 4-step safety checklist. Vet the seller, use maps, check the property, and secure financing. Step 1. You've got to verify the seller and vet their reputation before falling for pretty pictures. Look for a solid digital footprint, check their business history, and do a quick communication check. Step 2. Use interactive maps, like GIS, to actually view satellite imagery and analyze the terrain. Literally plug the exact GPS coordinates into Google Earth or specialized apps like Onyx Maps. Step 3 is the property check. We're looking at zoning, physical access, and any taxes or liens. First, definitely call the county with the APN to confirm zoning and land use regulations. Next, verify access. Make absolutely sure there's clear road access, legal easements, or straightforward trails. Finally, demand a clear title. Ensure the seller guarantees the land is free of hidden debt. See, where you shop really matters. Established firms offer pre-vetted inventory, unlike the hidden risks of random sellers. You want secure, legally binding documents, not some confusing handshake deal with poorly drafted paperwork. All right, step 4. Review your financing structure wisely to really protect your capital. Smart financing means flexible owner options, no credit checks, low monthly payments, and a modest down payment. Let's look at a real-world example, a popular double-lot ranch property with easy access. Professional firms provide verified boundary data, an encrypted secure checkout, and immediate equitable rights upon signing. So, with this checklist in hand, are you ready to safely claim your piece of the great outdoors?